Welcome friends. Today we'll discuss Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, a company that requires no introduction. Anyways, it's a large cap company with a market cap of 1,28,000 crores. So the company was incorporated way back in 1940 by Sri Walchand Hirachand, and subsequently the company was taken over by Government of India in 1942. In collaboration with the Intercontinental Aircraft Company of USA, the company commenced its business of manufacturing of Harlow trainers, Curtiss Hawk fighters, and Walty bomber aircrafts. So then there's a long history of 76 years, and we'll see what HAL does now. HAL is in production of aircrafts like Su-30 MKI, LCA and DO-228 aircrafts, and helicopters like ALH Dhruv, Chetak, Cheetal, and LCH helicopters. The company takes up maintenance and overall services to cover the long cycle requirements of all the old and new products. Presently, 13 types of aircraft, helicopters, and engineers are being overhauled. In addition, facility exists for repair overall of various accessories and avionics fitted on aircrafts of Russian, Western, and indigenous designs. The company does exports of many of its products like Dhruv, Lancer, Chetak, and Cheetal helicopters, and of course D-0228 aircrafts as well. The major ongoing indigenous development programs are the light combat aircrafts, Mk-1A, light combat helicopters, light utility helicopters, basic turboprop trainers HTT-40, and Indian multi-role helicopters IMRH. Design and development of HTFE-25 and HTSE-1200 engines have also been taken up. So let's have a look at the customers of the company: the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army, the Indian Navy, the Indian Coast Guards, the Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research and Development Organization, Border Security Force, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation of India, Government of Karnataka, Government of Jharkhand, Government of Maharashtra, Geological Survey of India, and Bharat Heavy Electricals are its domestic customers. And there's a long list of customers, international customers like Airbus, Boeing, Coast Guard Mauritius, Ecuadorian Air Force, ELTA Israel, GE Aviation, Hamilton Sundance USA, Honeywell International USA, Israel Aircraft Industries, Mauritius Police Force, Moog Inc. USA, Namibian Air Force, Nepal Army, RAC MiG Russia, Rolls-Royce PLC UK, Royal Air Force Oman, Royal Malaysian Air Force, Royal Thai Air Force, ROG Germany, Rosborono Export Russia, Suriname Air Force, Turbo Meta France, Vietnam Air Force. So let's have a joint look at the joint ventures the company is having. The company is having joint venture of 49, 40, and 11 with BAE Systems PLC, BAE HL Employee Welfare Trust, which is holding 11% in the company. Indo-Russian Aviation Limited, it's a Russian firm, wherein RAC MiG holds 31%, Ryazan holds 10%, and Avazan Chast holds 6%. Then they have a joint venture with Safran Aircraft Engines France, with 50-50 partnership with HAL, and then they have Samtel Group of India, which holds 60% joint venture with HAL. They are into design, development, and manufacture of various types of display systems for airborne, military, and ground application for sale in India and international markets. Then they have a joint venture with Edgewood Ventures LLC USA, Edgewood Technologies Private Limited India, 26% and 24%. Then they have a joint venture with HALBIT Avionics Private Limited. Albit holds 26%. It's an Israeli company, and Merlin Hawk Associates Private Limited, which holds 25% in the joint venture. Then they have a joint venture with Scient Infotech India, 50%. And here they have the purpose of the joint venture is to design and engineering services in the field of aero engines and technical publications. Then they have a joint venture with CAE Inc. Canada, 50%, that provides military and civil helicopter pilot training services in India. They have got a joint venture, 50-50 joint venture with Tata Technologies Limited for providing engineering and design solutions in the area of aerostructures and other allied activities. Now you know why Scient and Tata Technologies are surging. Manufacturing of civil aerospace components, namely shrouds and cones for Rolls-Royce, they have a 50-50% joint venture with Rolls-Royce Overseas Holdings Limited, UK. They've got 50-50 joint venture with Roseborno Export Russia for development, design, manufacturing, and marketing product support for multi-role transport aircrafts. They have 50-50 joint venture with Bar Electronics Limited for implementation of innovative initiatives by creation of ecosystem to foster innovation and technology in defense sector. They've got 50-50 joint ventures with Safran Helicopter Engines France that provides maintenance, repairs, and overall services for Safran Helicopter Engines, which was formerly known as Turbo Mecha, and HAL engines installed on HAL built helicopters. They've got 50-50 joint venture again with Russia, wherein Russian helicopter holds 42% and Roseborno Export Russia holds 7.5%. The purpose of the joint venture is production and supply of KA-2260 helicopters in India. So now let's have a look at the key financials of the company. The market cap of the company is 1,28,000 crores. Current price is 1928. It's after the stock split recently. The high that it made was 2090 and the lows of 52-week was 1138. So the stock has almost doubled in a span of just 1 year. Stock PE is at 21.4, book value is 351, dividend yield is 1.43%, ROC of the company is 30.6%, ROE of the company is 27.2%, face value is 5, debt to equity, it's a zero debt company, 71% is held by the government of India. They are the majority stakeholders, and if we look at the price chart of the company, it was flattish since April 18. It was going down a bit every year till August 2020, and then it's seen a meteoric rise from there on. If we look at the quarterly results, generally June quarter, it's the year-end March quarters, they've got higher sales revenues, and the rest of the quarters are in the range of 3,000 to 5,000. So So here in June 2023, they have made a sale of 3,915 crores with an operating margin of 22%. And if we look at their yearly performance, the sales have grown from 14,000 crores in March 2013 to almost 26,926 crores, which is double the figure in 10 years. If we have a look at their net profit for past few years, from 2,346 crores, it was 2,800 crores, then 3,200 crores, then 5,000 crores, that is 5,000 crores, and now nearly they made a net profit of 6,000 crores. Compounded sale growth for last 3 years was 8%. Compounded profit growth for last 3 years was 28%. Stock price CAGR was quite steep, 69% for last 3 years, and return on equity was 27%. The balance sheet of the company is quite good, with reserves of 23,000 crores, borrowing negligible of 51 crores, and if we look at the shareholding pattern of the company, the Government of India holds 71%, FIs hold nearly 12%, DIs hold nearly 10.5%, and public holds 5.8%. Now a look at I don't know where it's gone. Still missing. I'll probably cover it in the next video. So till then, this is it about Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and have a good time till I come up with a new video. Goodbye.